Good morning, all of you, all amazing people. Well, it's my first day back at work here in Riyadh after my vacation, and well, it's 5:08 a.m. and I'm going to work. So thought I would record this video as well. So as you can see, it's quite dark outside, and I'm recording on the Insta360 GO 3S camera. So the hustle never stops. I have a full day of work up ahead of me, but well, this also has to continue this recording journey. And well, right now okay, there are a couple of cars. Well, they are maybe waiting to go somewhere, or there were two people in the cars. So well, I have to get the car tire pressure checked and actually increased. It's quite less. It could start giving a warning anytime. As you can see over here, it's not giving right now, but if there is, it will show that in red. But anyhow, this Changan Eado is doing wonders. And well, as you see, the roads are clear. We are headed to work, and we are gonna go from the King Fahd road, and you'll see the scenes over there. So well, let me adjust the AC and the warmth. So these are the scenes. There's a lot of development going on over here, as you see these huge buildings. And well, it's my first day back at work, so I also will be taking some sweets that I brought from Pakistan for the guys over there. So inshallah gonna go distribute that as well. So this is the traffic scene at the King Fahd road early in the morning. There ain't much, and also it's a Saturday, so for some people it will be off. Okay, let's get into the momentum of the traffic. Coming back, this left-hand drive feels so natural, so smooth to me. Alhamdulillah. Had to move on to the fast lane. Anyways, I think there is some traffic today. Usually it's not that much. The roads will usually be free, but I do see some traffic actually. I was expecting not that to be the case, but anyways, we are cruising at 90 kph, so it's all fine. And we are gonna record some good 10 minutes of this drive. And I really do appreciate the internet speeds over here. Back in Pakistan, the uploading was quite well, troublesome at times, because the videos that I export are like 3-4 GB. So well, you have to have some good internet connection to upload it in a few minutes. Otherwise you are gonna wait an hour, half an hour, in that range. Here we go. some 3 cars are going tail to tail with each other. That's not good though. We will be maintaining our distance. As you see, check out the advertisements and the scenes over here. Wow, awesome. This is just mesmerizing. So I'll be taking the exit onto the Makkah Road at December Drive. Here we go, we are taking the exit from here. Gotta slow down a bit. Alhamdulillah for everything. This road leads back to Takhasusi Street. That's where I live on. We can maybe cross this one and get in line for the exit. It has been quite a smooth cruise all along, Alhamdulillah. What a wonderful car this is, a Changan Eado. So let's see how much have we recorded. I think it would be 6 minutes or something. Okay, when is this turning green? Yeah, it's our turn right now. Are we gonna wait on this one? Yes, if I remember correctly, we have to. There will be some wait, but it's okay. It's okay. By the way, they put those 2 crosses over there, as you see, because well, this is a S curve, so you are not supposed to go there, so they put 2 crosses. This is something new. This wasn't here before. By the way, this Changan Eado, it really sits low, so it feels actually quite sporty. We have a Range Rover going up ahead of us. The signal up over there just turned green, but I'm not sure if we are gonna make it. No, we are not. We are not. So I'm just gonna end the video here, and that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you all stay blessed. Let's end the video.